nakahiga. Nag-transform.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whoever here, I hope that you are all doing well. Because I'm living in the album that is Alon, I thought it was only natural that I watch this, and I love TikTok lives for every single member, and this has already been subbed as well. It just makes perfect sense. So this is Pablo's TikTok live from September 12th. This is to promote the release of the album Alon, and if you were to have a look at the description below, you will see a link to the original upload. A huge thank you to the YouTube account that is Slay for uploading and for subbing this. I'm really excited to watch this. I just want to see if he loses his temper. Does he have any like IT issues or techie issues? Jokes aside, I'm really looking forward to hearing what he has to say, whether he kind of like spoiled stuff, if he's got any like backstories. I mean, it's almost an hour long, so he obviously wanted to talk to us for a period of time. And yes, let's go. Please, can we watch this together?
Galing. Very influential. Oo nga, nag-comment siya sa live niya. Sabi ko, papuntahin niya sa Onesie. Papuntahin mo dito sa Onesie office. Mag-content tayo. Hindi ata niya nabasa. Pero ayun, yung reason talaga ng nag-live si Pablo ngayon, kaya nag-live si Pablo ngayon, ay 3.9 na, isa na lang, hintayin na
I
natin.
just love that he refers to himself in the third person. Who's meowing? Wow.
Mayroon na namang inhit dito sa pamamahay na to, kahit kapon na lahat. Ano ba sa'yo ng good to raise Pablo? Ano daw? Anong basahin mo? Anong basaya? Saan na nawala? Ang bilis naman kasi. Paas. Wala na, hindi ko na nabasa. Ilan songs ang, ano daw? Balis. Anyway, the reason why nag-live si Pablo ngayon, kasi nga, syempre, sasalubungin natin yung album release ko. I'm happy na finally, marirelease na siya kasi sobrang stressful nitong month na to. By the way, those two albums, I worked on it for a month.
Wow.
I guess parang approximately a month or a little over. Pero I think less than a month or a month.
Jeez.
4 weeks. Kasi nag-start ako gawin yung album January, February, March, April, May, August. Late August, siguro mga August 26 nag-start ako gawin yung album. Tapos while having kaliwat kanan events, ginagawa namin siya. Ginagawa namin siya. So by the way, katulong ko nga pala si Josue. Ang kapatid ko dito sa album nito. Lahat ng kanta dito, katulong ko siya. Except, syempre, yung mga hindi. Pero, shoutout kay Josue kasi talagang ang laking help. Lalo na kapag lumalabas ako ng bansa, siya nag-aayos ng kanta. Pero even though for this album, Alon, in English, ano ba yung Alon? Ano ba yung Alon in English? Waves, diba? Tama ba yung caption ko? Waves don't die. Waves don't die. So, ano ba yung sasabihin ko? Kalimutan ko agad. So, itong album na to, Alon, even though yung mga kanta dito, nasulat ko na siya before, pinagtrabahuan namin yung arrangement from scratch. So, kung ano man yung narinig nyo before, hindi na yun yung maririnig nyo. Except from other things, pero hindi na rin yun eh, hindi na rin talaga siya. Tapos, syempre may mga lyrics ako nung pinalitan kasi I feel like ang tagal na kasi na nasulat ng kanta, so I feel like nag-mature din ako in writing. So,
You
medyo
can use
pinalitan
better
ko yung sulat
words.
niya. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung mga kanta dito? And also, I did some new songs. Ayun, so sana magustuhan nyo. Pero, kasi 'di ba 2-part album nga yung ilalabas ko, isang Laalon at isang Laon. So isang in English Waves, tapos Laon is parang In Time. So yung main theme ng naging sino to? Yung main theme ng Alon. Patayin na nga natin ito. Nanonood kasi ako ng Big Bang Theory ulit eh. Alam niyo naman pag kaya patakbo ko lang to. Oo. Yari, may nag-flag na naman sa akin dahil nga sa...
Oh, that's a
Alright,
cute little
dito tayo.
thing.
Ay. So, weird. Yung bangs.
They look cute.
Ang tawag dito, yung
Looks very baby girl.
most of the songs, I think all of the songs, yung main theme is, ano ba? Ano bang main theme? Basta mostly sad songs. Parang nasa melancholic side. Pero din parang frustration, venting out frustration. Ayun, parang ganun yung main theme niya. Kaya medyo heavy yung album. Kaya Alon din yung
Oh
naging
no.
title niya kasi Wave. Parang,
This is fun.
Parang challenges, ganun, Alon. Tapos yung Laon, hindi naman siguro secret na.
I'm so
Pero yung
easily
Laon,
amused.
most will be a brighter side. Kumbaga, Laon, kalaunan, in time, katulad din ang sinabi ko last time sa podcast namin, yun nga, yung favorite kong verse na Romans 8:18 na parang lahat ng pain, lahat ng challenges, lahat ng siguro naharap mo ngayon na mabigat, in time magiging okay din. So parang yun din yung naging inspiration ko sa paggawa ng album. So yeah, I'm excited also for Laon, pero I'd like to celebrate Alon now kasi some of the songs there were written years ago, and I'm just happy na finally I'm going to be able to release it na officially. Also, some of the song very talagang close to heart yung songs dun. Medyo heavy talaga, serious and heavy, and hopefully magbigay siya ng comfort sa maraming tao. Alam ko hindi madali yung mga ganong tema, hindi magandang pagdaanan, pero I'm just sharing it to people. Hopefully mabigyan sila ng inspiration and motivation in life in general. Alon, ano pa ba mga pwede kong tanungin? Sorry, ang bibilis kasi ng comment. Gusto ko sana magbasa ng what do you call this, comments for mga tanong nyo. Anong fave song ko sa Alon? Wala. Hindi, wala. Lumalalim na naman ang gabi. Yeah, when I was making the album, actually hindi ako makapili kung ano yung paborito ko. Kasi each song gives me a different emotion. Kahit pa sabihin magkakapare sila ng tema, pero iba yung bigat, iba yung level. Tapos parang may mga layers ako kang tinatamaan na magbibigay siya yun ng different attachment dun sa song. So, iba rin yung tunog niya. Hopefully magustuhan nyo talaga kasi talagang pag pinapakinggan ko siya, mabigat yung feeling. Pero, yeah, it's enjoyable. Maraming salamat. Meron bang MV? Di ko sure.
The question, huh?
Yes, it will be available on Apple Music. So, yung music is distributed by DistroKid and
Did he just completely avoid the question of music
most,
video?
if not all ng music platforms, alam ko, it will be distributed. Inavail ko rin yung store maximizer na kapag may bagong music platform, i-upload nila yun doon and it will never be deleted. So, yeah. I guess, dahil sa wala. Lumalalim na naman ang gabi, hudyat nito'y pamamalagi sa gunita ng pagsisisi. Di ko maintindihan ang bigati. Bakit wala yung title? Kasi originally
Isn't it
question
just
mark. Yun talaga
beautiful to hear it like
yung
that?
title nun. Since parang yung word na wala yung makakapag-describe talaga nung ano. Kasi it feels like yung gusto mo maging non-existent, wala kasi hindi mo mapaliwanag yung nararamdaman mo. Wala kasi parang hindi ka nakikita ng iba. So, instead of giving it a title na question mark, ang hirap naman kasi natatanungin ka, anong title ng kanta? Question mark. So, they will type question mark. Hindi wala na. Anong title ng kanta? Wala. Hindi lalo sila nahirapan. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung search nila. Anyway, ano pa ba? Pwede kong, sige mamaya-maya answer ako. Hindi ko I just want to say also thank you sa lahat ng tao tumulong sa akin. So, meron creatives team. Kasi I wouldn't be able to really finish this if wala akong katulong. Besides music. Kasi syempre both of us were focused on the music plus other engagements pa namin as SP19 and responsibilities as Pablo. So, yeah, I'm really thankful kasi at last parang mararest ko na yung mind ko kahit papano.
Somehow.
And may headspace na ako para gumawa ng ibang bagay. Pero
What other
grabe
things?
yung buong month ng
What else are you up to?
August. Ay, tama. August nga. Mali ako. So, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. July pala ako nag-start. July, mga 26, July 26. Tapos, tinapos ko siya ng before the end of August. Pero, yeah. Tapos ko yung mga kanta nung bago mag-end ng August. And meron 14 songs. Plus yung Breathe pala, sorry. Bali, 15 songs pala yun. Yun. Tapos, ang masama pa dun. So, kasi everyday parang we're working on the album. I had an idea beforehand pa kung ano yung mga kanta, pero syempre along the way marami kaming tweakings na nangyayari, marami kaming na binago ng kapatid ko. Tapos nagkasakit pa ako.
Oh.
Nagkaroon ako ng parang trangkaso ata. Nagkaroon akong sipon, matinding sipon, siguro for a week.
Oh no.
Ganon, kagrabe. For a week, nagkaroon ako ng sipon, inuubo ako. Tapos, syempre hindi ako makapag-record kasi halatang halata na may sipon dun sa, hindi maayos yung recording. So, I had to wait like for a week para makapag-recover nang saan makarecord ako. Tapos after ko mag-recover, edi nag-record ako ng mga songs. Hindi ko naman kaya siya i-record ng isang pasadahan lahat. So, nakapag-record ako ng kanta. And then, a few days, kailangan na namin pumunta sa Korea. Pumunta kami sa Korea. Ano ba yung ganap namin? Ng Billboard ata? Or ano man. Basta pumunta kami sa Korea. Tapos nagkasakit ako sa Korea uli.
Oh no.
Tapos pagbalik, syempre inantay ko na.
Pablo is like me. I'm like, what's going on with SB19? They did something with something at some point. And that's literally like what I feel about all of their engagements. I have no idea what it feels like for them. Goodness gracious.
Naman na makapag-recover ako. So, ang daming aberran nangyari. Pero, thank God na kahit ganun pa man
And even then,
natapos
15
yung album.
songs, a week out for being
Both
sick.
albums.
SB19
I'm just happy
activities,
sa output.
1 month.
Pagdating sa music, and ang laki talagang help ng team ko, lahat ng tao na involved, pagdating sa costume, sa makeup, sa creative, sa mga album art. And speaking of album art, if hindi kayo familiar dun sa, or hindi nyo na-recognize yung photo, parang siyang wolf na ayun nga, parang may nakita akong post sa X na, or story ata na kapatid ko, na a wolf in sheep's clothing. Actually, ayun yung parang reference pagdating dun sa ano. Pero siguro malalaman nyo yung the reason why I use that. Yun. Pag napakinggan nyo yung kanta. I-explain ko ba dito? Maganda kasi pag nilayan nyo rin kahit papano. So, I don't want to kasi siguro ang pinaka pwede ko na explain is usually kasi yung a wolf in a sheep's clothing is parang may bad connotation, pero hindi siya ganun. Parang binali ko yung meaning niya. Hindi siya ganun. Malay mo parang it's a defense mechanism pala, or parang basta pakinggan nyo na lang. And yung title track dito sa album na to is The Boy Who Cried Wolf.
Thank goodness.
Siguro na-encapsulate niya yung buong album,
It
kaya
needs
siya talaga
to
yung
have a
title track.
music video.
And pag napakinggan nyo, parang siguro nasabi ko naman din dun yung buong parang yun nga, na-encapsulate niya yung buong tema ng kanta ng album. Josue talaga, napakalaking help talaga sa akin yan. Though, most of the songs that we make naman, I always make with him kasi, personally, yung mga recordings, kanya, kaya ko naman siya gawin mag-isa, pero, gusto ko talaga na may nagre-record sa akin or may kasama ko kasi, yung judgment ko rin parang naka-cloud kapag ako lang yung nakikinig sa sarili ko. So, gusto ko rin nakakarinig ng comment ng iba if what
really,
works
like,
better. For example, pagdating sa melody,
and I think a sibling
should I do
can do
this? And I'll try yung lahat ng options, tapos papakinggan namin kung ano yung pinaka-okay, and then we'll come up with something. Even yun, ganun yung parang dynamics namin ni Joshua. So, a shoutout din kay Sir Emil De La Rosa sa pag-mix ng kanta kasi sobrang rush nito. Parang thankful ako, Sir Emil. Shoutout Sir Emil kung mapapanood mo to. Pero Sir Emil De La Rosa, napakahusay na mixing and mastering engineer. Isa pa yun, talaga malaking help talaga yun. Ang nangyari kasi talaga parang simultaneous lahat ng pangyayari. Gagawa kami ng instruments. Kapag nauna instruments, papasa na agad para mailatag. Tapos saka lang i-record yung vocals kapag okay na. Kapag medyo okay na yung pakaramdam, tapos pasa, tapos mix kami. Tapos para walang masayang na oras, pupunta ako sa studio nila para i-finalize lahat ng kanta. So, very tedious siya, pero very fulfilling kasi nagawa namin yung gusto namin gawin. Ano oras na ba? 30 minutes pa lang
Just checking he hasn't been rambling on for too long, but I really like this because you don't always get the opportunity to hear these kinds of things from Pablo, and we want that CCTV footage, please. We want all of the behind the scenes, but I'm just really grateful that he said that he's going to give us vlogs, because that will give us a part of that. But I think he could just make so many, a huge part documentary as to that process in the recording studio, because I think for some listeners, the kind of people that just throw stuff away, the ones that are really quick to bash stuff, I don't know if they really realize how much effort goes into putting stuff out there. Not only you emotionally and you being brave with your talent, but all of the additional stuff that happens in the studio, and then it all gets put together, and then all of a sudden an audience says, nah, I don't like that. I think it's really important for us to get that insight in order to give the people behind the scenes more respect. And, you know, through Pablo, we are already doing that because he is like naming people. And for sure, like I'll go away and I'll look up these people and see who they are and, you know, how they've already contributed so much to the music industry. But I think it's really important to have that behind the scenes. So I do hope that we get some of that in his vlogs.
Sasalita.
Huh? Are you moaning that you've been talking to us for 30 minutes?
Ano ba?
Rude.
Inaantok kasi ako eh. Anyway. Ayun. Ano pa ba na pwede ko pag... Ayun, yung tour. So, magkakaroon ako ng tour. Though, I don't know kung
I thought he was going to say, though I don't want to.
dadami pa yan or no, or hindi. Pero, ayun, abangan nyo na lang kung anong pwede. Kung anong pwede kong gawin. Basta, kaya ko, gagawin ko yan. So, magkakaroon ako ng tour sa Robinsons, sa Galleria, sa Ilocos, tsaka sa... Saan nga ba yun? Nakalimutan ko yung isa. Galleria, sa Ilocos, sa South, ayan. Robinsons, ayan, sa South. Oo, sa Cavite. Ayan.
Somebody tell
Ay,
him in the
Cavite.
comments.
Meron ba sa
Cute.
Laguna? Physical. Sa Laguna. Yan, excited na ako i-perform. Pero sana makapunta kayo sa tour. Excited ako ma-perform yung mga kanta. Kahit malulungkot. Sunday na yun. After ng birthday ko. September 14. Paggupit ka na. Ano ba talaga? Hindi ko na maintindihan eh. Ayoko rin magsisi. So, ginawa ko. Ginupit ko na lang on tip. Tapos tatali likod para kunwari short hair. Pero pag gusto ko ng long hair, edi tatanggalin ko na lang.
I like it.
Thank you. And syempre, abangan nyo rin yung laon. Grabe. Lahat. Siguro, I'm proud of the album kasi yung creativity talaga namin
Wow.
lumabas
Okay.
dun sa album.
That's setting expectations even higher if he is saying that.
When I was making the album kasi parang ayoko na i-overthink eh. Parang ayoko lang i-box yung sarili ko pagdating sa isang genre. So, for the longest time, I've been making these kind of music. Pero, nabanggit ko nga rin naman sa mga interviews ko na gusto ko rin gumawa ng masasayang kanta.
And you do.
If I'm not, masaya naman ako, di ba? Parang nagiging, meron naman ako masasayang moments and I want to talk about it. Gusto ko rin gumawa ng mga kanta na for myself na yung talagang pinapakita kung ano yung mga hilig ko, yung mga ganon. Yung mga kanta ba na hindi mo akalain maririnig kasi yung mga kanta na narinig sa akin like La Luna and this time pag napakinggan yung presyon, medyo parang venting out sa world, galit, ganit yung tunog, mabigat, heavy rap, yun yung mga determinado. So, I try to balance everything din. I talk about yung mabigat, yung heavy things. But at the same time, I like to spread positivity like katulad ng kanta ko na EDSA. There's always, kahit na mabigat yung kinukwento ko, dapat may resolution palagi
Yeah,
pagdating sa dulo.
there's a resolution, there is motivation,
Bakit ganun yung
there
nangyari?
is
Ano
some
yung pwedeng
sort of
gawin?
light.
Kasi ayokong iwan yung mga audience na feeling heavy lang. So,
But I want to say, and I think a lot of people will agree with it, that if he wants to leave us on a really heavy ending, I think that's also okay. Like, he's allowed to do that as an artist. Not everything has to be happy or have to have a resolution. I'm just glad that he was able to do that because obviously, as he said, some of these songs he'd written years and years ago. So by now, he does have a resolution for those. But I think it's okay to just release distraught stuff onto us. Like, personally, I'm fine with that. It's okay if that's what you're going through in that time. Just be blunt about it, and we love you for that, okay, for sharing those feelings. I don't want him to think that, oh, I'm always down, and I don't want people to think that. Like, I do appreciate that he is trying to make a change, and he's showing us a different part of him, and this is all the fun and everything we're going to get to learn from him releasing these 2 albums. but I hope that it doesn't deter him from releasing that sort of stuff in the future, you know, like a real hard-hitting, soul-destroying song.
Somehow, hopefully, through the music, through, kahit na malungkot siya, parang, you get comforted dun sa, yung makuha nila yung comfort na, alam mo yan, parang meron din palang, they're not the only people who, yung nakaka-feel ng mga ganung bagay. Tapos meron nga ako nabasa na sulat ni Kurt Cobain. Yung parang sobrang nag-hit sa akin ng heart. One of my inspiration as well, Kurt Cobain. Yung sinabi niya, I miss the comfort of being basta I miss the comfort of being sad ba yun? Being alone, something like that. Kasi parang all his life he felt alone. Na kapag nakakaramdaman siya ng masaya, immediately ang response niya agad, malito, hindi to normal. So parang mas mas comfortable yung pagiging alone, mas comfortable yung pagiging nasa baba lang yung feeling. Kasi nasanay ka na doon. So, parang ang bigat nun. Kasi parang kung isipin mo, may nakasunod sa yung dark clouds or umuulan lagi sa ulo mo. Parang ganun. Lagi kang malungkot. Lagi kang may pinagdadaanan. Yun yung parang somehow mabigyan ng comfort kahit malungkot yung kanta. Dapat hindi dahil malulungkot ka, but mabibigyan ka ng release pagdating sa nararamdaman mo. First mo na-compose na song? Di ko na actually alam eh. Dami ko ng kanta na sulat. Yung iba, practice song na gusto nyo rin mapakinggan. Pero, kung ano pa man, i-release ko siya. Kung gusto ko siyang i-release. Or if it's something na talagang, if it means a lot to me. Kasi gusto ko lahat na nire-release ko. Parang, may substance or merong deep connection sa akin. Hindi siya basta-basta lang. Parang sa ganun, every time na ipa-perform ko siya, it's special for me. Hindi ko mapipil, parang diary rin siya, di ba? Parang every time na perform ka, okay, ito nasulat ko to dahil ganito. Di ba, mag-isa ka, ano yung Behind Drowning in the Water? Physical album. Sige. Bahala kayo. Pakinggan nyo. Mas pala ako nagsasalita. Dami ko na sinabi. Baka makapag-release na ng third album. May dala ka bang guitar sa tour? Pamilala na vinyl.
Giving him all these ideas, please. He's getting overloaded. He's getting confused. But yeah, like, with those photographs, it would be a real shame to not have a physical album and a photo book and everything on textured paper, please.
Every Sunday, 7 p.m. September 15 yan mag-start. So, panoorin nyo po. Napakatalentado ng mga kabataan ngayon. Hindi mo pwedeng ipagkaila yun. So, dito pa lang sa KitKat, ang dami ng kumakanta dito eh. This is pa na ko'y nandito lamang sa tabi mo, kahit kailan may di kita iwan. Dahil ang tala ko'y nabiyag ng mata mo. Ay, iboto nyo ang tropa ni Pablo sa darating na kompetisyon.
Are you getting competitive?
Ano ba?
Oh, that's a really moody
Abangan nyo rin
face.
yung laon ha. Naku po. Pag nadinig nyo rin yung laon, yun siguro, kung pag tapos na kayo mag-imot-imot, pag napakinggan nyo yung laon, dang! Kanta naman daw ako ng wala. Anong kakantay ko? Wala. Bahala ka dyan. Baka yung sa mga nakapanig na ng Kumunoy, iba rin yung tunog niya ngayon. Sa mga kapakinig na ng Kailan, iba rin yung tunog niya. Siyempre, nung pinerform ko kasi siya, gusto ko siya i-perform kasi wala, parang those are the times na parang pinagdadaanan ka, so gusto mo siya i-perform. Pero hindi pa siya yung final form niya. So, ang dami naming revision. Talagang from scratch, ginawa namin siya.
That's really good.
Even yung presyon, talagang yun. Siyempre, hindi pa naman siya narinig. Yeah. Anong feeling? Pa-shoutout po. Pao acoustic. Pins. Love songs. Tingnan mo. Pakinggan mo. Pakinggan nyo na lang. Basta pakinggan nyo yung Alon Laon. If you feel like this today, then listen to this. Oh my God, nagpagod ka na pa. Hindi pa nga ako nagpagupit, oh. Ito pa yung buhok ko, oh. Ganun pa rin. Diba nakita niyo sa Kalakal? Yung sa Kalakal, hanggang dito yun. Pero ngayon, binawasan ko yung bangs. Kaya ganyan na lang.
I really like it. It's just so messy. It makes
Yeah,
him
din kasi-
even more pretty.
Concept ko muna composition of songs. Concept before composition of songs. I think hindi ko masyadong naisip yung concept. Kasi, yun nga katulad na sinabi ko, kapag gumagawa ka ng kanta, basically, ang pinagugutan ko talaga ng inspirasyon, aside from the people around me, is yung sarili ko. Kung ano yung gusto kong, parang diary siya. So, parang nangyayari yung conceptualization. Though mayroon ng outline, kasi kailangan mahalaga naman talaga yung outline para hindi sa yung oras pagdating sa kung paano mo siya bubuuin. Pero nabubuo lang siya kusa. Hindi siya ino-overthink na parang tama ba tong release ko, ganun. Alam mo lang kasi yun yung na-film. Bakit lungkot pag saan ka po? Ba't lang gusto mo yun? Ba't ganun nawawala yung tanong? Saan ka po ang sponsulat ng mga kanta galing? Tawag sa hairstyle mo, ewan ko rin.
Don't you dare, pal. You'll start me off.
Parehas. Na. Kulit nyo kakasagot ko lang naman tanong. Norway
Sexy.
here. Lang 40 minutes na, my goodness. Ano ba yung mga kanta dun? Ramdam na ba ang presyon? Ramdam na ba ang presyon? Handa ka na ba sa mga bunga ng iyong aksyon? Ramdam na ba ang presyon? Ano ba yung kanta dun? Wala. Kung din.
I can't remember. You can tell it's been a really hectic time for him. And it's not really going to settle down anytime soon, I'm afraid.
Sorry kapag napapost yung live, pag humihinto kasi tinitingnan ko para hindi rin ako maligaw sa mga dapat ko sabihin. Kasi may mga bagay ako na kailangan daanan at sabihin sa inyo, itanong or sagutin para naman maayos lahat. Pero sorry, yan, last na yun. Nabasa ko na lahat. Instead, Inuyasha. Happy birthday, thank you. Hi from Bolivia. Hi, from the
Bolivia?
Philippines.
Wowzers.
Nahihilo ako, ba't kaya? Hello sa yung best yun. Yes na pa kami na sa Alon. Pins, alam mo ba ang genre? Kanta mo genre ng? Genre na? Tamo, paano nawala yun? Kakabasa ko lang.
It's so sad.
Ay, ayoko kayo spoil. Pumunta kayo sa September 15. Breathe. Ako'y nandito. Wala. Ano ba yung wala? Lumalalim na naman ang gabi. At dyan ito'y pamamalaki sa gunita ng pagsisisi. Di ko maintindihan ang bigati. Pakinggan niyo yung album ha. Pakinggan niyo siya ng sunod-sunod. Huwag niyo papakinggan ng mag-i-skip-skip kayo.
Okay. Did you just scoff at us? Rude. I love it. I love the sassiness. But yeah, interesting to know that you should listen to it in the order. I mean, I would anyway, unless told otherwise, i.e. 7 Sins.
Yeah.
Are we boring you?
John the Water. Tiny Desk SP19 edition. Oo nga, no? Gusto ko na mag-perform sa Tiny Desk eh.
When?
Shout out from Paris. Paris. Shout out. Ano ba ang height? Eklabu. Ano ba ang height? At tutulog sana ba? Coachella. Thank you. Siyempre gusto natin yan. I'm excited for the future. Kung ano man bibigay niyan. Galaw ng galaw. Shutdown. Manifesting tour. Kabataan Pampanga. Yeah. Hopefully makapunta kami dyan. Sabi na wala pagawa. Hindi ko alam eh. Sorry. Hindi ko alam eh. Future niya yan eh. Hindi mo pa alam. Huwag mong pangunahan, di ba? Sabi nga ni Boss Joel. Oh, malapit na. Basta pag 5 minutes na sa hometown natin. Oo nga eh.
He honestly has no filter.
Bininta ko na.
He's literally just like
Hindi naman ako nakakapag-moto.
bored of us. Oh.
Kahit gustong-gusto yung kumain. Punta ka Eddie Back. Sige ba? Punta ka Australia. Sige, ngayon na. Gigil mo ako.
Can I ask a question? What is this like saying stuff backwards? What is this like a new trend or something? Am I missing something? Is this just like something that you do playfully in Tagalog? I don't get it. It's so cute.
Na naman ang gabi. Buwan, ikaw nga ba'y tunay na kaibigan? Walang sa aking mundo ay kalungkutan. Dapat ka nga bang pasalamatan? Kasi meron ako nakita basa lyrics. Yung lyrics ng wala. Kasi di ba kinanta ko na siya before. Lyrics niya. Yung abuan, ikaw nga ba'y tunay na kaibigan? Oh, akala ng nakarami yung parang adlib siya pero hindi yan. Buwan, ikaw nga ba'y tunay na kaibigan? O lulan mo lang sa akin ay kalungkutan? O siya, as in o. Parang oo o hindi. Ganun siya. Kaso nga since very nga eh. Lan lang sa aking mundo ay kalungkutan. Yung pangalawa, adlib na yun. Dapat ka nga bang pasalamatan? Kasi ay sa tingin kay lilisan. Tapos ano ba mga kata doon? Kailan? Yun, gustong ko rin yan. Kailan ba ito ninasasaya? Maghimalaya sa
I feel
takot
cat.
ng pangamba. Yeah. Pipikit ko ang aking mata at mananalangin sa mahabaging ama. Yeah. Oh, kailan? Mga kanta doon. Yun na. You say, they say, a lot of women in this world. Don't you know that you are all that I see? And baby, what I'll feel when you leave, it'll be like drowning in the water.
Oh, it gives me
Faster and
goosebumps.
faster, breathing gets harder.
Gives me goosebumps. That song is just crazy. To think a 14-year-old wrote that.
Ano ba
I'm sorry. Are you an 8?
Lalo na presyon. Wala. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. What else? Kailan? Kumunoy. Ayan. Kumunoy itong bakiram. Di ko maintindihan. Tindig sa aking lalamunan. Paano nga ba maibsan? Bigat ng aking nararamdaman. Gusto ko nang sumuko. Di na kaya ng puso. Didilim na paligid ko. Wala akong magawa na hulog na sa isang. Kumunoy itong pakiramdam na nasa kumunoy.
He could literally perform his entire album
Tapos,
like
nabay
this
kumunoy.
with no
Tapos The
music
Boy
and it
Cried
would
Wolf.
be
Yun,
gold.
napakinggan nyo naman. Mas maganda pakinggan nyo nila yung music ng The Boy Cried Wolf na malapit na naman. Konti na lang. Paano mo Oh, wow. Pag club, tulog ka na. Kuya Pablo Walford, hindi na ako nakapaglaro eh. Bugbugin ko yung kalaban sa Wild Trip eh. Ayaw magpakulay ng buhok. Sa totoo lang,
No!
ayaw ko ng pakulay ng buhok kasi
Yeah.
nahihirapan ako mag-maintain.
Yeah, just don't do it.
Siyempre, it's even harder for me because mahaba yung buhok ko. Alam ko sa mga girls, ganun din. Pero ako kasi,
It's just
hindi ako
hard.
makakalikot sa sarili ko eh. Parang,
Well, you should.
nainis nga ako kasi di ba parang sasabihin ako ni Mama Mac, yung makeup artist namin na mag-skincare, ganyan. Gagawin ko siya for a week. Tapos, wala
Then
na.
you just give up. Well, isn't it lucky that you were just born freaking gorgeous? The best skincare that anyone ever needs.
Nakakalimutan ko siya.
Genetics.
Natatamad na ako. Pero
It's like
syempre,
how-
naliligo naman ako. Hello. Hila mo, syempre. Kailangan niya. 12 minutes na lang. Yeah.
I wash my face if it's needed. Excuse me, what?
Oh,
He's getting loopy now at the end of this.
why out your phone up for the work? Kunin mo. Meron pa ba akong di nakanta?
Yes. But you told us that we should listen to the original, the official.
Sana magka-album tour si Cavite. Sige ba? Kumain ka na. Ano ulam mo? Ulam ko ay sisig bangus. Sisig bangus. Yung salamangka. Practice song lang yung salamangka eh. Practice song lang yan. Paano ba yung kanta nun?
Well, we liked it.
Salamangka. Ari, itong mga to. Abulan ng abulan.
Grab one.
Ay, nakatakas. Jumbo! Anak, ay lumapit ni Jumbo. Jumbo!
Come hither, peasant. Come to
Okay.
the king.
Yes, Shadow. Uli ka, Shadow.
Oh, I got one. Did he get one? He got one.
Uli ka ba?
Oh, I love these
Say hi
cats.
to my followers.
Oh, yummy.
Init naman dito.
Delicious. Oh, what a daddy's baby. Wait, is Shadow a girl or a boy?
Ganda ka.
So gorgeous. That was a lot of love. I love Siamese cats.
Nag-chat si Kios ba yun? Kios, kumusta ka na? Ingat ka palagi, brother. Nakapanood ko pa yung mga video-video mo eh. Kala ko nasa Thailand ba? Alam ko nag-Thailand ka eh. Ingat ka palagi dyan, brother. Wait, sa tuition fee, tuition fee sa ano, wala ata akong binayaran eh. Breathe, pampakalma. Yung breathe, may iyon sa dulo ah. Hindi yung breath. Yung breathe, verb yun. Yung breath, noun yun, noun.
Are you schooling us? You cheeky sausage.
Collaborate with... Naku. May... 9 minutes na lang. Let's go! Lumalalim na naman ang gabi. Hudyat nito'y pumamalagi sa gunita ng pagsisisi. Di ko maintindihan ang bigati. Siguro nga hindi lubos na kilala aking sarili. Ikaw ba'y may alam sa aking di naramdam? Tulad nilang walang pakialam. Ikaw nga ba'y tunay na kaibigan? Ulan lang sa aking mundo ay kalungkutan. Ba't ka nga ba pasalamatan? Kasi ay sa tuwing ika'y lisan, ganun pa man ay di ko daw gusto. Hindi ko daw gusto. Salamat sa presensya mo. Di ko daw gusto. Pabayaan mo nga ako.
Oh.
Pakinggan.
Now, he keeps singing this, but I wanted to ask: do you think you'll still listen to the little demo version of it? Is that what I'm going to call it? When it was called question mark, do you think you'll still listen to that version? Because I actually quite like it. You know, when it gets to that whole distorted bit, I really like that. And obviously, as the song is drawn out to a longer version, you don't quite get the same. It was much shorter. You get that build a lot quicker. It's different as a full version, and I think that each song has its place in my life. Basically, is what I want to say. A little bit like everything that's on SoundCloud. I'm going to continue listening to that. Just because we've got official versions of some of the songs doesn't mean that I'll just stop listening to it.
Ganyan yung boy cried wolf. Si Diyos Kalin ang kinakagat ang dila. Minsan di ko maiwasang isipin ka, lalo na sa tuwing nagigisa. Ano ba mga kantang pinapakinggan ko ngayon? Wala ka masyadong pinapakinggan eh. Paano na? Sa unang tingin, paano na kaya? Laging iniiniatan para kung nagpitong garang karagat sa iyo kapag naputol ng kadena. Yari kayo pag naputol ng kadena, kagating kayo ng Diyos Kalin. Kinakagat ka ng kakikat. God bless, brother. God bless you, brother. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Ingat sa mga stunts. Sining. Nadidinig ko palagi eh. Meron content creator na gumawa na. Yung parang pumipiyok siya pag yung pataas na. Hindi ko pa napakinggan na maayos yung singing, pero lagi ko lang nadidinig since gumagawa nga ng album Solbap.
I really love the third person thing. Jeez, this guy is like really calmly chaotic.
Di ko na nadiligan. Ipilit mo na million. Okay. Taas kasi. Dahan na mo ba? Sumandal ka ba?
How is that too high?
Yan aking magaruan.
Pablo's resolution for the year 2025 needs to be to stop gatekeeping himself and his talents from us. He's made the first step to release 2 albums, okay? And in 2025, we want more. Stop it. You must share everything that you are.
Ilang araw na nakahigaw. Hayaan mo na aking
What if
paglaruan.
on the next album there's like an R&B song?
Nananalangin ang paraluman.
What if?
Ano ba yung ik? Ang ganda rin ng kanta ni Ken na ik. Ito na naman sa EDSA ko baan niya. But I'm riding on signing. Oh, 2 minutes na lang. Tigil na sa ulba pa. EDSA merch.
He's got-
Yeah! Oh, ah! Di ko na alam ang gagawin pa sa'yo. Guys, don't forget to stream Alon in all music platform. Yeah! Oh yeah! Waves don't die. Waves don't die.
Beautiful.
Tong sining
There is so much going on inside that head. He's got a million other things that he needs to be doing.
Liwanag lang yung pagmamahal. Ayoko lang sabilitan. Kaya na ba mo ba? Sumanda ka daw ba? Hayaan mo na aking paglaruan. Yung lyrics no, kalimutan ko eh. Pakalapit kasi niyan eh. Ni Arturo eh. Hayaan mo na ang aking paglaruan. I love you para luman. Ilang araw nang nakahiga. Nag-transform. Bye-bye na. Ingat. Thanks, man. Osing. Thanks, man.
What?
Nagigi ka na naman gagi. Bye-bye.
What?
Thanks, man. Bye-bye.
What? He didn't even like give us like a countdown. He didn't say, off you go, it's about to be released like any second now. Make sure you go and stream. Go in, like follow me on all social media. Nothing. Just like, all right, see you later, bye. What? This man is out of control and I absolutely love it. There is just no pretense. There is no, I know that he said they kept pausing it because there are stuff that he needs to say and stick to and things, but, which I obviously agree with. There is like a whole thing that he needs to keep telling us and that make sure that he doesn't reveal too much perhaps, but there's just no pretending. If his mind is in like a billion different places, you can see it on his face. He cannot pretend. He cannot. It's written all over his face how he's feeling. I just want to say that obviously a lot of information was revealed to me right here, and to think that both albums were put together within the space of 1 month, like one concentrated, well, not even one concentrated month, because he was off doing stuff with SB19 and he was unwell for 1 week as well. I'm sure that they got on and did other stuff during that 1 week, but just to think that 1 month is all it took to give all of this. I mean, this man is capable of so much more. So much more. I'm just so excited for the next album, for the future, whatever that might hold for Pablo. And I think that now that he's got this step out of the way, hopefully he'll feel a little more comfortable. He'll be seeing a lot of the feedback that he's getting. He'll be seeing how successful his albums have been. And it will only just like egg him on to do more, release more, to be wilder, be more out there with us. Come here, Pablo. It's nice out here. Please do talk to me about everything that he talked about in this TikTok and his crazy behavior, him just being so non-celeb, so normal, him absolutely attacking Shadow with kisses. That was just some aggressive loving right there. It really makes me laugh because men are so different with like pets. Like I think I'm quite aggressive with my cats, but like they're pretty little girls, okay? Because you have to be gentle and you have to treat them in a certain sort of way. But even like if my brother ever pets my cats, like he's so rough with them. Just men are just so different, and it's really funny to see like the cute aggression come out from Pablo right there. That was really, really such a sweet moment. But I think he did quite well. Like I'm guessing this started a little bit before we caught it right here. So yeah, he literally did like a whole hour countdown, and I love that. And I absolutely love that I was able to watch this with you. And a huge thank you once again to Soleil for uploading and for subbing as well, because I love that I get to have this experience with all the SB19 members. Thanks so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.